Okay, next, may we call on Mrs. Zenaida Montalban Asistio. Buong po yan ha, ang pangalan Zenaida Montalban Asistio. Kasi ma'am, special kayo. Kaya kayo you're on the spotlight. Oh, ang galing-galing nga rin ma'am sumayaw kanina. Diba? Diba? Oh, we agree. Diba? Okay. Now, Mrs. Ira Martin Carion. Mrs. Carion.
Mrs. Carion.
Bakit gano'n yung mga teachers natin, demure pa rin, ano? Tayo, hindi, ano? And next, we've got Mrs. Rosalinda de la Cruz Policarpio. Ay, nasa kanila.
Siya naging teacher.
Okay, and of course, last but not the least, we've got Mrs. Mirasol Cruz of Benda. Okay. Actually, we've got some flowers there. And we would like to invite everyone to approach our beloved teachers and offer flowers for them. O, diba, isa-isa lang, ha?
Fall in line! Right here!
Fall in line. Especially the boys. Ay, hindi the boys, the guys. Ganito gagawin natin, sige, para maganda, okay?
Papila doon? Kumaan lang kami.
No, while we are offering the flowers, si Perry naman, I'd like to invite Perry, obviously, and his band, to sing Miss Universe ng buhay namin! Ah, diba? Diba?
Sa piling mo'y tanggalan lumba, may kasiyahan walang kapantay. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko. Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko.
4 sentences. Yes, it's our time to make them submit a theme, right?
And single mom.
Biro na ba? 2 words.